Please make some weird sounds for award-winning Foley artist, Tara. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Do you believe in ghosts?
This question, man. Why do you ask everybody this question?
I want to know if I'm talking to an idiot or not.
So you fully don't believe? You don't get the...
I don't, but I didn't mean to say that.
I firmly believe in them because I can feel them.
Okay.
Lots. I've maybe felt them in like 15 different places.
That is a baby that you're feeling.
No, bro. I was not pregnant.
Oh. You're from Clearwater, Florida.
You're from Florida.
Are you a Scientologist?
Fuck no.